give you drugs in hopes that it's going to take away the deadly poisons that you've ingested. They spray your skies with metals that trickles down globally and poisons you and the earth. They force vaccines into your children, reminiscent of Nazis. And you sit there and wait for leaders to do something. You all have to be leaders. So I want you to stand up now and join the army of love. Come on. The work that Stephen does with absolutely no boundaries and borders to bring together some open-minded leaders in science and medicine is unparalleled. And it's the first time in the world's history that everyone in little villages in Africa, in mountains in South America, in towns in Asia, and all over your country, the United States, can get this information. And we can't let them stop that. So sit down and let's take a trip now. We have deforestation, which Anna Maria spoke about 2 hours yesterday. And this is what the world's slowly looking like. Not only is the Midwest on the way to doing this, they've already done it in the Middle East. 5G, the most dangerous thing they've ever proposed to put into our atmospheres. Global radiation, there's more radiation on the planet today than ever in history. They're chemicalizing your food and beverages, and putting opiates, synthetic opiates. You're sitting around watching television, getting more and more stressed with cortisol levels. You're eating animals, an ungodly thing that's not humane and, by the way, kills you and the planet. People say it's hard, it's hard to suffer. It's not hard to change. Once you have the courage, this we allow to happen. Your so-called leaders allow it to happen. Since the Industrial Revolution, including your water and the air, there's mountains of garbage. In Florida, the only mountains are the garbage mountains that we have. And what you're drinking on your body every day gives you cancer and neurological problems, alters your brain, called man-made fibers. The pharmaceutical fiasco is insane. The number 3 killer in the developed world now is medical mistake. Pharmaceutical drugs. When are we going to say no to this? You're a coward. You hide. It's time to stand and say no. They actually released Lyme ticks. And now here in Long Island and all over the world, these are poisoning people and altering their life. Where is this going to end? It's going to end when we all have enough love and enough self-respect and enough honor not to buy into it. The real discussion today, because they have reduced us to the lowest denominator, is money. And besides saying no, by the way, you have to learn to say the second thing. No, I'm not going to buy. I'm not going to support. I'm not going to encourage. But there's resolutions, and that's what you have to understand. Sane living in a world that's led by hungry, power-hungry idiots and greed mongers. That's what you are living in at this point. Wash them down and crap them out. That's what I say. This is a real detox we have to do. Liberate yourself by thinking clearly. minds are so fogged, you don't even know what's going on most of the stuff. What kills and what heals? There's so many things that kill, but there's far more that heal.